Hello everyone and welcome to Tradesea. In this video we're going to be talking about pSpark, our inbuilt AI copilot that is actually within our trading terminal. So it's fully context aware of everything that you might have been doing within your trading, meaning you can ask it questions about your trade history, your trade performance, and it can even see external things like the news calendar. So on my screen here, if we just come up to the top right where it says beta, we can click on that, and I've already asked it, what can you do? Here it's responded and it said it can give us market analysis, portfolio review, it can manage orders for us, and it can even build strategies and custom indicators. Then lastly, it can actually control the chart for us. So if you're a developing trader and you don't know what certain things on the chart mean or what certain patterns look like, you could ask them about all of these different patterns and actually ask our AI to put it on the screen for you. And that's just going to allow you to progress as a learning trader much quicker. So here I'm going to actually just say, apply swing highs and lows onto the chart. So here it's going to think about it, and on the left hand side of my screen it's going to bring up all the swing highs and lows. You can see it's marked out the swing highs in blue and the swing lows in orange. Then it's actually done this across the chart, so you can move about and identify any swing highs and lows that you might want to identify. Then we can go one step further than this and ask it to add doji candles. You can see here it's just thinking about it. Left hand side, it's going to show us all of those doji candles by putting a D underneath the doji. So here there's 2, and again it's done it all over the chart to make it nice and simple for us. We can actually identify all of these different things on the chart and create different custom indicators from them. So all you have to do is come and type in create a custom indicator for me. And what it's going to do is ask you some more detailed questions about exactly what you want to create. Then once you've actually typed all of that in, then you can come into this pSpark module at the bottom, filter by studies, and you'll be able to see the custom indicator that you've just built using plain English on the left here. At the bottom, you'll be able to see all of the code that is involved within that custom indicator. And at the top here, you can see a quick summary of what you've created. Then just above that, you're actually able to apply this onto the chart. So I'm going to click apply. And if we move this panel down, then we'll be able to see our custom indicator put on the screen right here, which is really, really nice. And it's such a simple way of creating brand new indicators. So then if we get rid of this indicator, the next thing I want to show you is actually the strategy area. So if we come down to tools and select strategy builder, then again, you can create custom strategies just by talking to it in plain English. So I might say here, create a custom strategy, and it's going to come back and ask me exactly what I want to see. Then I might specify and say ICT based strategy, 15-minute liquidity sweep, and 1-minute fair value gap. Then it's just going to think about it, and it's maybe going to ask us even more questions to actually finalize exactly what we want to create in terms of the risk and everything. And then once all of this has been finalized, you can again come to the pSpark panel, filter by strategies, and you can actually see that strategy which you've just created in the strategy panel. Now you're also able to filter through all of the different strategies that you might have created, and you can actually backtest them on the chart. So here, if I just click backtest, then you can see it's backtested it. It's shown us a total P&L of plus $1,215. It's taken 6 trades and 50% of them were profitable with a profit factor of 1. Then if you've looked at your backtested stats and you're happy with them, you can actually go back and click deploy. So this is something which is being developed but will be available. You're actually able to deploy that strategy automatically onto the chart, meaning if you're a swing trader or a trader that might not always be at their desk to take trades, you can just click apply, and that's going to apply that strategy to the chart and trade it for you nice and easily. Okay, and the last thing to mention is that if you didn't want to create your custom strategies or indicators, it's very easy to use ones which have already been made. So I could just say add RSI 14. And again, what that is going to do is just add it to the chart with no fuss, and it's just there in front of you, nice and simple. So guys, thank you very much for watching this full overview of pSpark. Thank you.